Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Please do like and subscribe guys sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa atin. And hit the notification bell para ma-update ka sa tuwing may mga bago kaming uploads. Okay, so let's start. This is for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. By the way, medyo pagpasensyahan mo na yung kamay ko kung may mga makikita kang mga ganito itim-itim or what kasi katatap katatapos ko lang maggawa ng mga arts, magpintura, uh, mag, mag-work with resin, so medyo messy siya. Anyway, this is for the sign of Libra. Guys, meron tayong Facebook page ha, Madam Space P, space pa sa dulo. Diyan mo ako i-like, diyan mo ako i-subscribe or i-follow. Kasi diyan ako magpo-post ng mga bagay na hindi ko na ipopost dito sa channel or sa YouTube. Okay? So, and also diyan ka pwede mag-inquire ng personal reading. Soon, magbibigay ako ng mga discounted reading. So, hopefully, makita mo yun doon sa aking Facebook page. Okay. TikTok shop or TikTok namin, Unipri, UNIPRI. Isang shuffle na lang, guys. Simulan na natin. I feel good. Libra. General love reading. You discover the Knight of Swords and the Sun. Oh. Wait lang, guys. Okay. So, yung aking fan ay nahahangin yung cards. So, inayos ko lang. So, I really do like this energy with the Knight of Swords. Yung ipa sa inyo, pinupush mo kung ano man itong bagay na nakakapagpasaya sa'yo, no? And actually, whatever you're doing right now, ituloy mo lang kasi you do have here the nine of cups. So, this is recognition. This is victory, no? Nakakita tayo ng mga recognition, achievements, victory, and a lot of happiness by the end of masaya ka na nga ngayon sa ginagawa mo eh. Ituloy-tuloy mo lang kasi nakita tayo dito, mas magiging mas masaya ka pa. Okay? So, anyway. Person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. For the sign of Libra. For the sign of Libra. Okay, thank you Spirit guys, Angel Guides, person nakakonect na Libra. You do have here the Knight of Cups. The Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Gusto ko tong energy na to kasi I'm seeing a person who is stable enough. No, marami siyang kayang i-offer. Hindi lang sa'yo, no? Kung kanino man. And I'm seeing a connection sa inyong dalawa. And this person has a lot of money or a lot of talents, skills. Some of you, itong connection na to could be a new person. Pwede rin naman dati na. But I see this person as someone who is very, I don't know, the term is magical eh. Parang kasi the moment na nandyan na siya or dumating siya sa buhay mo, a lot of things will change sa buhay mo. Might be the way you think, the way you do your daily stuff or daily things in life. Maraming mababago sa pagdating nitong taong to sa buhay mo. Pareho kayo ng direksyon or pareho kayo ng gustong marating or gustong mangyari. So, yung iba, this is not love but rather maybe friendship, connection na nabubuo dito between you and this person. Tell me more for the sign of Libra. You do have here the 9 of Cups, the 3 of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Death card and the 5 of Swords. Okay, so nakikita natin dito you are currently, why do I feel like a lot of you, meron kang iniisip na someone na malayo sa'yo or someone na in the past. You're thinking about this person. I can see other options dito eh. Unfortunately, I'll tell you the truth. Itong death card, itong nag-end sa inyo, parang hinayaan ka lang ng person na ito na alam niyang iniwan ka niya or alam niyang umalis siya na naging miserable ka or nalungkot ka regarding sa connection. Maybe you beg for the person na parang cold heart siya or wala siyang puso. Na nag-beg ka or gumawa ka ng actions para mabalik or magbigay man lang ng simpatsya or pagtingin, pagmamahal ito taong sa yung ito. Pero hinayaan ka lang niya. Diba? And you're thinking about this person. Tell me about this past person. You do have the King of Wands. Hindi ko to kunin masyadong marami. I feel like itong taong to hindi siya naging totoo sa'yo, hindi siya naging tapat sa'yo. You do have the Page of Wands. Masyado siya naging immature. Okay, kamustahin natin yung person na ito ngayon. Whoever this person you're thinking. In the past, there's this the Lovers, Ace of Cups, King of Pentacles. Clarify the Lovers. There's this Virgo, Libra energy, Capricorn. Clarify the Ace of Cups. You do have here the Six of Cups. I mean, wag mong isipin na etong person to is babalik pa ha. Kasi, I can see a relationship right now between this person and dun sa isang person. Honestly, nakakita tayo ng pagmamalipula sa'yo. So, wag mo nang isipin itong past person na to, but rather you should concentrate on your future. The King of Pentacles, nakakita tayo dito ng career, wherein mas magbibigay ng fulfillment para sa'yo. Doon ka na lang mag-focus. Yung iba sa inyo, nandun na tayo na naiintindihan natin na umiiwas or lumalayo ka na, pero hindi mo pa rin maiwasan maalala tong taong to. Pero yun nga, I can see this past person na ibinigay mo sa lahat and then if ever there's another relationship, nakakakita tayo ng manipulation doon eh. Na parang wala, hindi siya para bumalik sa'yo ngayon, if ever you're thinking na babalik. Kasi, there's another person, pwedeng another relationship, or family-related issues, no? Na parang nagpipigil dito sa person na to do anything na may kinalaman sa'yo. So, huwag ka na mag-isip na baka naman bumalik siya mag-chat, tumawag itong taong ito sa akin, and nakikita natin that is impossible to happen ngayon kasi nga namamanipulate siya nung isang person pa na nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi niya rin possible magawa yon. So gusto nating malaman anong emotion nitong taong ito towards you. You do have the Wheel of Fortune, the King of Cups, I feel like medyo nabaliktad yung sitwasyon. The King of Cups is showing to me as concern, care, and love for you. Pero, eto nga the Five of Pentacles is here. Alam mo yung picture dito, it's like a pulube na naglalakad. And ganun yung same feeling. Parang hindi ako para bumalik sa buhay ko. Bumalik sa buhay mo because I feel like I don't deserve you. Alam mo yon, yung feeling niya, you are someone na meron ka ng lahat ng gusto niya. Wanting you is nandun yung I want you, gusto kita. Pero I know in my heart na hindi kita kayang makuha or hindi kita pwedeng makuha kasi I don't have much to offer. 'Di ba? Yung iba sa inyo sasabihin, marami naman akong binigay, ako naman ang nagbigay ng ganito ganyan. But sometimes mahirap kasi na laging ikaw, 'di ba? Parang sa kanya nandoon na lang yung hiya, yung parang let's say there's love and pagkagusto sa'yo sa una. Pero as time goes by na ikaw yung mas maraming na ibibigay, mas maraming na ipapakita sa kanya, the more na mas bumababa yung tingin niya sa sarili niya at nakikita niya na parang I don't deserve you, I don't have this, I don't have that, and I know you deserve much more. Parang ganon, deserve mo yung much more sa kaya ko pang ibigay sa'yo. So, parang nandun na lang din yung gusto kita pero nakakahiya na. Ganon. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? You do have here the Five of Wands, the Page of Swords, and the Three of Swords. Six of Pentacles, the Four of Swords. Actually, nakikita natin dito, wala ka talaga magagawa in the near future. It is impossible na mapaamin or malaman mo kung ano yung feelings or naiisip nitong person na to. Or kung ano yung mga plano niya sa future. Medyo imposible makita yon. And with the Six of Pentacles, nakikita natin, wait lang guys. So, for what I can see here, with the Five of Wands, nakakita tayo ng away or gulo. So, you don't want this, ayaw mo to. Kasi at the end of the day, dun sa kaguluhan na yun, hindi ko naman nakikita na mananalo ka if ever na ilalaban mo with the Page of Swords, whatever you're feeling. So, if ever na gagawin mo yun, na ilalaban mo or hindi, ipupush mo to, there's this broken-hearted energy here with the Three of Swords, masasaktan ka lang. So, nakikita natin, the advice also is to not do anything with the Four of Swords. Huwag ka na lang gumawa ng anything na may kinalaman dito sa person na to. Kasi ikaw lang din yung magiging kawawa dito. No? Hindi ko sinasabing it's your fault or may kulang sa'yo. what I'm saying is that nakikita naman ng person nito yung halaga mo, but kailangan makita niya rin yung halaga niya eh. Yung parang yung shadow side niya, yung kalaban niya dito. And I'm seeing that medyo kulang siya doon. There's this pagkagusto or love towards you, pero mas nakikita niya kasi na hindi niya kasi ganun ka-love or na-appreciate yung sarili niya. Na to the point na alam niyang hindi mo siya deserve. Diba? So, that is a reading for you. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.